we had said 38.75 was the IB high. So this is the retest. Market is, obviously churning right now and just trying to absorb the power move from the last couple of days. And typically, a lot of traders try to guess the top. And that's folly. That's hard to do. We said today, if you wanted to think about the squeeze long side, try to get to the 36 area first and 36, 38. And then above and beyond that, trailers. And the primary trade is what we try to get. A lot of traders don't understand that theory. But the primary trade, today, there's no doubt about it. It was the IB, and the majority of today's gains for RTH traders have been made just by buying the breakout and letting it float up to a new high rather than fight it. And you have the luxury, if you get the primary trade right, you have the luxury. You don't have to call the top. You don't have to try to figure out where do I rebuy. You have a trailer if that's the game you're playing, or you take your profits and you go home or you go play golf or whatever. This is a game that we take limited risk and we try to make something out of the day. And so those traders who are trying to guess the top right now are risking a few points to make a whole lot less than anybody who bought early and just rode the wave. So 2 points to make 10 or 2 points to make 2 or 3, totally different ball game. And that's where most traders get beat. They don't understand that dynamic. They don't understand that this is about the idea of having limited risk trade because the momentum was here on the 10s and the 5s, right? 5s were here, 10s were there. 30-minute chart was supportive, 60-minute chart supportive, daily chart supportive. So go with the flow rather than fight it. This is how you win this game. Risk 2 to make 10. Risk 2 to make 20, to make 15, not risk 2 to make 2. And the traders that are fighting this right now are those traders who guessed wrong and have been fighting it all the way, and now they're underwater trying to figure out how do I get out. And yesterday's setup, when 26 doesn't hold, and it breaks it overnight, and then takes out and squeezes up to the 30, breakout again. So 24 is a breakout, and 30 is the confirmation of it, but usually it'll look past it. You know that. And then traders who can't buy into that philosophy now are wondering why they're having such a hard time. You take your risk early and you look for that first primary target. We said 36, 38. And then anybody who's still in with a trailer, you're not going to get taken out until the bottom of the angel gets beat. And this is where the guessers at 35 and so get beat. And then all of a sudden now they're squeezed. So I'm not going to overstate this. You want to play this game? It is a game where you try to guess right, get the primary trade, and then you don't need to do anything fancy. And you have the luxury to determine what's next. All right?